Back to Vividly Bright. My name is Courtney and I am so glad you're here. Spring has sprung. I live in Florida, so spring has sprung quite a while ago, but spring is here and that means it's time to break out the spring outfits. There's one particular style aesthetic that I feel goes hand in hand with spring, and that is the romantic style aesthetic. What is the romantic style aesthetic? The romantic style aesthetic, as defined by Nordstrom's Trunk, is the romantic fashion trend is all about softness, femininity, lush textures, and a hint of vintage inspired pieces. Think of your elaborate tops, your florals, your soft pastels, your neutrals, and more browns and ivory tones, things like that. Your flowy dresses with more of like a square neck. Those are all things that kind of fall into the romantic style type. And you do see a lot of these things being offered in your stores. A big one is Target. Target is a big one for romantic style type during spring with their dresses. So that is what we're going to play with today. We are going to play with spring outfits using the romantic style aesthetic to create 3 outfits that you can have as your go-to looks for the spring that bring in a little bit of spring and a little bit of the romantic style aesthetic and puts them beautifully together. So if you want to have 3 new spring outfits to add to your arsenal, let's get into it. Up first, outfit number 1. I wanted a girly feel, I wanted a very feminine feel, so I went with this baby doll dress in a purplish pink pattern, floral pattern. It is so whimsical and just so cute to me. I love the silhouette that it offers your body. I love the neckline. I just paired it with a simple strappy heel, and I think that this outfit is screams spring. It is exactly what I think you would wear to a little picnic or to walking around the garden, just all the spring things that you can get into. So definitely try to pair your flowy dresses with your strappy sandals. Very simple way to throw in the romantic style and also have something that's very spring. For outfit number 2, I wanted to play with pants. Now, I didn't want to just go into like a wide leg pant, so I've really been into straight leg jeans here lately, but I had to take it back. I had to take it back to the skinny jean. So I went with these skinny jeans from Torrid, and I paired it with this billowy blouse. This blouse is so soft and delicate. I love the color of it. I love the brown, the neutral tone. I love the white dots that's on it. I feel it's very feminine, very soft, very spring, and it's a great way to have a spring outfit, but you can still go out and do lots of things. It's not overly dressed, but it's still dressed up enough for the season. And it's a great way to also bring in the romantic style aesthetic with the billowy top and the light colored pants. For outfit 3, I went with this white linen dress. Like I said, it's great to have a linen dress on hand, And this one is so dark. Let me tell you, I thrifted this dress. It's from the Loft. I thrifted it for like $7. It looks practically brand new. It was sparkling white, not a stain on it. It was meant to be for me. It was my size. I love this dress. It is just so good. This dress. But you need a linen dress if you want to create those spring outfits, and if you want to bring in a romantic style. A linen dress is what you need to have in your wardrobe. I paired this dress with these strappy lace up the leg heels, and I cinched in the waist with the belt that came with the dress, and I think it's beautiful. I love the tortoise shell buttons that go down the front, the tie that cinches in the waist, and I just paired these brown shoes to go with the buttons that go down the front. And I think this outfit is just light and airy. It has those neutral bright colors for the spring and also plays into the romantic feel as well. It's a very classic look and it's perfect for the romantic style aesthetic and for the spring. So those are the looks. Are there any that you're gonna try? Do you have any of these items already in your closet and you're gonna pull them out and put outfits together? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to head over to my Instagram and head over to my blog, vividlybright.com, and sign up for the newsletter. I'm getting the newsletter together and it gives you first looks at outfits, first looks at things that I'm going to post on the blog, updates, all kinds of exciting things to come. So make sure you sign up for the newsletter and make sure you go and follow me on Instagram as well. Whew, I am so excited for spring. I am so excited to wear that white dress, and I want to know, what are you excited about for the spring? Let me know in the comments. Okay, my little bright siders, I think that's all that I have for today. So until next time, stay bright, live true, and be vividly you. Bye!